What if everything you know, space, time, even reality itself, is just a shadow of something far greater? Scientists believe there could be 10 dimensions, and we might only be aware of 4, the rest hidden, unseen, but not unimaginable. Today we'll journey into one of the most mind-bending ideas in physics, the 10th dimension. It's a place where all possibilities, all universes, and all timelines converge. But how do we even begin to understand something so abstract? We live in a 3-dimensional world, length, width, and height, all flowing through the 4th dimension, time. But the human brain struggles to visualize beyond that. Higher dimensions don't fit our senses. They're not just more directions. They're fundamentally different realities. Even great physicists admit visualizing beyond the 4th dimension is like trying to explain color to someone born blind. So why even propose them? Because the math demands it. To make sense of quantum mechanics, gravity, and the fabric of space-time itself, we need more than 4 dimensions. Enter string theory, a leading candidate for the theory of everything. It suggests that the fundamental particles we observe are not points, but tiny vibrating strings, and these strings can only exist and make sense in a universe with 10 dimensions. So what are these extra dimensions doing? Some are curled up tightly at every point in space, like tiny invisible knots. Others might be vast, influencing the way gravity spreads across the cosmos. Physicists use complex models, like Calabi manifolds, to describe how these extra dimensions are folded and woven into the universe. Now here's where it gets wild. In the 10th dimension, every possible timeline of every possible universe exists simultaneously. Not just multiple universes, but all possible laws of physics, branching realities, and outcomes encoded in a single, incomprehensible structure. It's the realm where all possibilities collapse into one final everything. Some scientists and philosophers speculate that this could be the true shape of existence, a single point of infinite potential, maybe even consciousness. In this framework, we're not just living in a universe, we're in a snapshot of one version of reality among infinite others. So, what is the 10th dimension? It's a bold idea. A way to imagine everything that ever could be, compressed into a framework that lies just beyond human perception. It challenges our deepest assumptions and invites us to think bigger. If your brain feels like it just did a somersault, you're not alone. Drop a comment. What's your take on the 10th dimension? And if you're hungry for more, check out our next video on parallel universes. You won't believe where the science leads.